A rib?
I don't know if you're supposed to. It's gonna break her jaw.
Welcome to TNT, y'all. Welcome back to another episode. Guess what we're doing today? We are dropping a whole bunch of chips. That's the video today. Totally. And how many chips can you drop, break, and eat? We're doing vending machine challenge today. We are. We're going to eat nothing but things from a vending machine. Our drink, candy, dessert, breakfast, lunch, dinner, the whole 9 yards. It's about breakfast time now. We're at a hotel. We're on one of these baggage. We are. Things for the luggage that we don't have. We don't. Just us. We're gonna luggage. Yes, we totally are. Lugging all this. Lay's regular is the tea. All that salt is for me. Oh, look at that. Look at the little girl around me. Look at that. Right. That's what it tastes like air. It tastes old? This one doesn't taste, man. It tastes okay. Yeah. Let's go. Well, and we're heading out. Dang, sis. Is being a great pusher right now. I'm just sitting here and I'm eating my chips as we speak. Woo, okay. Okay. Thank you. That's all I got. Did you do it? Do you want to get on here? Because like you need a break now. All that. I might. I'm tired. I don't weigh that much. You're only pushing a feather. Right. Well, that's the heaviest feather I know. Y'all know my weight. I feel like you can use it, right? Yeah, it doesn't have to be like this exact one. Oh, time for the gas. That was push. Steer. Can we fit? Off our way to the next vending machine. Yes. Next vending machine. Off. And we're out. Have a good time. We're gonna have a little fun, just a little. Usually I don't play this game here because this is a hard game. It's very hard. You lose your money every time. But we're not gonna lose it. We're not. We're gonna try it. Let's go. You just look like it was like easy for you. This, you're gonna use that. You have time. She's on a time clock. No, I think that's it. Oh, man. She wasn't ready. She was not ready. I was a little disoriented. You just look like it was like easy for you. Okay. I'm going for that one, y'all. Let me get it. No, it was really close. Fail. She didn't make it, guys. I thought it was really precise. I really tried to get it right on the money. But it's really hard to be on this one because I feel like the crane, you know, these things are a little bit. Yeah, the things so flimsy. Yeah, they're kind of flimsy. I don't like to pick it up. I'm ready. Alright, let's go. What we got? We have carrots. Oh, I love me some carrots. Oh, which? Oh, let's go
Yes, Africa.
I'm on him. Yup, I'm with him right there.
I got him. I got him. You gotta get that.
Like the Terminator guy.
I do. I have Terminator. All right, ready, Jill? Ready? Ain't no games being played. How do I go? Guys, how do I go? Jillian, how do you go? Oh, I gotta do this, guys. I'm so behind. Oh my gosh. No. Yes, it's all over. Let's play some ball. Let me know. I played ball at 7th grade. I sucked though, but I did play ball. I did too. I can't say I sucked, but you know. Okay, here we go. And
Yellow's in. Ready? Yellow player.
all right.
Shoot.
Jill's yellow. Team yellow. Oh my God. We gotta get this one.
Player. Shoot.
Yes.
Shoot. Red player. Shoot. Nice shot. Yellow player. Shoot. Red player. Shoot.
That was my one shot.
Hurry up.
Oh, no.
Player. Shoot.
Push it. I need to kick it. Yeah, brother, I want it back.
Player.
Oh, no, you ain't gonna do this. You ain't gonna take your time. Take your time. No! Wait, I didn't want to get over there. What in the world? If she gets this, I'm gonna be mad.
Hurry up.
I thought I should tell y'all. Y'all see the score, right? You better not get now. That's how we do. Jill won both of the games. She won the game.
You're on
I
fire.
always win. Team Jill in the house. If y'all got this at the arcades, this is a game to play. Yes, I thought this was gonna be like a so-so basketball game. No, this thing is fun. This game is competitive. It got me out of my. Especially for girls, they can have a good time. Between it and between it. We're trying to look for vending machines. Joe, you see vending?
Let's look for the
Pepsi
V.
vending machine.
Oh, hey.
It says those.
Okay, perfect. What's this?
I don't know. Like we're really studying into
Yes,
this.
I know, right?
I see one.
Ooh, decision.
I don't like any of those colors.
The pink one might work. Let's see what's on the other side. It's double, right?
It is double. Where's?
Ooh, okay, this is what I want. I want M&Ms.
I don't know if I have 25 cents on it.
You. Do they take quarters only? You know.
Yeah, they think they only take quarters. You don't have any hand sanitizer on you? You always have hand sanitizer.
How's it taste?
Sour.
Nothing? It's sour?
Sour.
Is it sour?
Yeah, it's sour.
Oh, it does say green apple. But I kind of wouldn't mind some bubble gum with you, bro. I'm gonna get a pink one. Let's think. What are my odds of getting a pink
Yeah,
one?
because she's
want a
wearing
blue
pink.
one.
You know, you can say because you're wearing pink,
Yes,
right?
no, it's not, but that can work. All right, what color do we think?
Yeah, let's see.
Jill, what color you going for?
I'm going for blue.
You think it's gonna be blue?
I think it's gonna be blue.
Watch it be yellow.
No?
Here it goes. Here
Let's
we go.
see.
Oh, come on. It's gonna be blue too. Oh, it's really, you know, did you just crack it? I did.
I don't know if you're supposed to. It's gonna break your jaw.
I thought if I eat bubble gum, you too. It's hard as a rock.
You don't like yours? What does it taste like?
Blue. It's so freaking spoiled. Can you just pick off bubble gum?
You see pineapple? Yeah, pineapple and root beer.
Now I should go for my water because I'm on a water diet for 2021, but I think I'm not gonna do that. We know we don't want Dr. Pepper. Sierra Mist, or should I get the orange?
Sierra Mist.
Sierra Mist? That's close to water, huh? Meet in the middle? Come on, give it to me, give it to me. No, you can't.
It's clear?
Yeah, true. Yeah, you know, hey, y'all can give me something. Thank you, I appreciate it.
This was the only vending machine that we saw at Cumberland Mall. They only have Pepsi vending machines.
Vending machines is going out of business.
This pineapple is a really good refresher. I love me some pineapple. If they had mango, it would be even better. I never had the pineapple before. You never had the pineapple before? You had the pineapple Fanta. You never had pineapple? Oh, y'all missing out on life. If y'all have not tried anything pineapple from Fanta or from Crush, you're missing out. It tastes so good.
Let's see if I'm missing out. Waterfall.
Okay, this is the first person who has tried pineapple.
Yes, I know.
Tell them how good it is. She waterfalls my stuff. Like, it tastes really good. She's not a good judger. You didn't like it?
Why am I waterfalling my own? It's got an interesting aftertaste, must I tell you. It's not terrible. I do taste the pineapple, but that aftertaste tastes a little artificial.
It tastes just good in pineapple to me. Go get your pineapple.
It's nothing I would want to drink a whole meal with. It's cool for a sip of somebody.
I love it, especially
if I'm dying of thirst.
Whoever likes these pineapples, let me know. I know I'm not the only one who drinks these pineapples.
Now, Pepsi Cherry, that's the plug. I don't even like cherry like that, but that's really good.
You don't
I don't like
cherry.
I'll do strawberry, but not cherry.
Give us some life, Zendaya. Give us the life,
Please
Zendaya.
do. That's my girl. She looks flawless.
She does look flawless.
Get it, sis. Right.
Yes.
Get that face. Angles. All right, y'all. It's been a day.
It's been a day doing all vending machines. I am like still pretty hungry.
Yes.
I'm getting hungry pretty fast. So after this day's over, I'm gonna go lay it down on a buffet
And call it a day.
and get some real substance in my food. But yes, right now we're still eating these.
Finding vending machines is harder than you think.
It's so hard to find a vending machine. It's so freaking hard.
It's difficult.
I thought it would be everywhere, but no.
It's not.
They do have one vending machine right there. Another candy one. But that's all they
You
have.
can find candies pretty easy. But substance, not so much.
Like food, it's hard to find a vending machine.
It is.
I don't know, but because of Corona, I just don't have a lot more. But
see y'all next video.
see y'all next video.
Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe.
And ring that notification bell so when we post, you get the notification.
Yes, y'all.
Oh, say bye to Zendaya too.
Bye.
Say bye, Zendaya.
Bye.